Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your username QR code background on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. It's a simple process, but many people aren't aware of the new customization options, so let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner. You'll see three small lines stacked on top of each other, often called the menu icon. Click on those lines to open up the side menu. From here, navigate to My Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where your username, profile picture, and details are displayed. On this page, you'll notice a small QR code icon connected to your username. Go ahead and click on that QR code. Once you do, Telegram will open up your personal QR code window. This is the QR code linked directly to your username, and now, with the new update, you get the chance to style it your way. Look for the option to change or customize the background. Telegram will present you with different background choices. You might find solid colors, gradients, and even fun patterns, depending on the latest update you have. Browse through the designs and pick the one that fits your style best. Once you've selected your preferred background, your QR code will instantly update its look. The great thing is that this doesn't change your actual QR code. It's still linked straight to your username. What you're doing here is simply personalizing the design, making it more eye-catching when you share it with friends or on your social media platforms. After you finish, you can quickly save the QR code to your device or share it directly from Telegram. That way, anyone who scans it will find your username instantly, and you get to stand out with a background that represents you. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've customized your Telegram QR code background on PC. Try it out for yourself and enjoy giving your profile a more personal touch.